if you want to learn how to make these 3 ingredients, gluten-free, dairy-free, delicious, guilt-free cookies, then what? Keep watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a 3-ingredient, gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free cookie for you. And this is a peanut butter cookie. I mean, who doesn't like peanut butter? Packed full of protein and absolutely delicious. Can I say that again? Delicious. So these are the ingredients that you see right in front of you, and that's all you're gonna need. 3 ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a cup of peanut butter, and 1/3 cups of maple syrup. Guys, hey, before I get started, don't forget to check out our weight loss support group. It's absolutely free. Lose weight and meet new people. The link is in the description box. And also, don't forget to what? Subscribe to the channel. You love weight loss tips. You love healthy meals. And it's almost summer. Who doesn't want to be healthy, right? You go ahead and put your cup of peanut butter inside. I love peanut butter. I remember as a young child, I used to just go to the refrigerator and just get a spoon and just scoop out peanut butter, and I'll just eat it by itself. Do you guys have any memories of eating peanut butter? I would love to hear about it. Please leave your comments down below in regards to your memories growing up and peanut butter. Maybe something with your mom, dad, any family members, things that you do for your kids, things that you do now. 1/3 cups of maple syrup. Just go ahead and pour that in. And this is a delicious dairy-free, gluten-free, you know, peanut butter cookie. And it's refined sugar-free. So you can't beat that. When we talk about healthy, this is what we're looking for. Packed full of protein. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm not even going to use it. It's like a pinch. I don't need to use the entire 1/2 because I don't need it to be saturated. So I just used a pinch. The peanut butter that I used actually had salt in it, so I am not going to use any salt. This is what I'm looking for, guys. Here it is. Just for everything to get mixed together. Perfect. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you. I mean, you can make it just like this as well. You don't have to. But I like it to be just a little bit more firm. So once again, it's optional. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you what I do. All right. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to wrap this up. So it's been about 30 minutes. Now what I did was I placed this in the freezer for 30 minutes just so we can hurry up with it. But you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make them. You can either take them like this with your hands, roll them all together, or you can use a scoop and just scoop it up just so they could be all the same. So what I try to do is I'm just going to do this just so they can all be the same size. They're going to be small little cookies. It's up to you. You can make them really small or really big. And then once I do that, I know I have all the same size. I'm just going to roll it together and then roll out. Your next step is to get a fork and you're just going to press down on it like that. And then just take it that way. So down and then over. This is what they look like. Alright guys, so 10 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. And this is what our cookie looks like. Now I had them cooling for about 10 minutes. So let's just go ahead and plate them out. This is it. Look how chewy this cookie looks. Absolutely delicious and chewy. And I'm about to dig in right now. And that's it. That's all I have for Maxinescorner, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you love it. And what? Stay healthy.